Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, today we're doing an aerial flyby over a field and we're looking to see what we can see. Depending on the time of day or night, we have commonly seen elk out in this field, an occasional deer. We've seen coyote, going through here eating mice, and we've seen a cougar a couple times. Oh, what do we have here? It's a herd of ravens, a flock of ravens, what is it, a murder of crows? I don't know. A whole bunch of ravens, and they're eating on something. We'll fly by a couple times and kind of take a gander at what. Whoa! We don't want them flying into us or attacking us. Remember, we're flying a DJI Mini 2 drone, and it actually is smaller than these birds we are looking at. So we have the risk of an accidental bird strike, and really that can take down a full-size jetliner, so definitely is going to, not do us any good. But also we might look like something they want to chase. I'm hoping they're more interested in what they're eating on than me flying around over their head. All right, so it is what I suspected it to be. And there's a couple telltale signs. It's a gut pile looks like it's from an elk. You could see out in the grass that there were tire tracks, so somebody was out here hunting. They shot an elk, and then they drove their truck in to haul it out after they gutted it. This is nature for you. Nature recycles. We saw that with that elk carcass video that we had that camera on. Birds are the first thing to come in, then small rodents, and then you'll have coyotes. And I'm sure at night there's going to at least be coyote or cougar here at this location. And if you haven't guessed it yet, what is all that dark green stuff? Well, that's grass. That was chewed up grass in the elk's stomach. I know it looks like a lawnmower bag that you emptied last week when you were mowing the lawn, but that's not what it is. One other thing we got a chance to do today, we got a chance to try the zoom out. We zoomed it 2 times and 4 times to enhance the picture, to get a better view, so we didn't have to get closer, so the ravens didn't eat our drone. And I'm pretty sure that's one of the things, one of the upgrades from the DJI Mavic Mini to the Mini 2 was the zoom, because I think the Mavic Mini does not have a zoom. We have a Mavic Mini around here, I just don't know where it is. And also, what we're filming today, I wouldn't have used the Mavic Mini anyways, because that is, the signal is Wi-Fi, opposed to this, which is a real radio signal, and we're approximately a kilometer away from, we're filming right now, is a kilometer away from where we're standing. The range is 10 kilometers, yeah, maybe, but up to 10 kilometers with the Mini 2. But you have to remember, if there's anything big, structures or trees or a mountain or ridge between you and the drone, you can and will lose radio signal. On our screen, we keep having that signal loss thing flashing every once in a while, and at which point the drone is taking up to get higher to get the signal. It just does that on its own. It was still filming during that time, but on our screen it just locks up and we see nothing, but it's still saved on the card, because remember, we have a good quality video on the card in the drone, and a crappy low quality video is sent back to your controller or your phone. Alright, so what do you think? We were just doing a flyby looking for some animals and we saw something weird, and thankfully the ravens did not attack our drone. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.